Hi everyone, welcome to IGPK. Today we will learn a basic steps on how to convert an Excel file to PDF file. Most of you might know this process of converting Excel file to PDF, right? But you didn't have tried that, and usually we keep thinking that how we can convert an Excel file to a PDF file. So let's begin. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and comment. And here I have an Excel file. This is the testing template for this video, and we will convert this Excel file to a PDF file. So in the file, let's go to the head top left in the file, and down here let's go to the print option. In the print option, make sure you have selected Microsoft Print to PDF. This will convert this Excel file to a PDF file. Let's go to the settings. You can choose what you want to print active sheet, or print entire workbook, or print selections. So here, let's say my requirement is print active sheet only. Now you can go and you can choose collated, uncollated. The next step, you can choose the orientation of the file. I want still portrait. The next, you can choose if it's letter, tabloid, legal, or statement. Let's say it's letter. You can select custom margins from here, right? See, yeah, this looks good. Uh, let's see the narrow one. Yeah, you can set up the scaling as well, and let's go ahead and click on print to convert this Excel file to a PDF file. That's perfect. Now printing, select desktop and hit save. Let's name it event budget file, and I am happy to see that PDF file here. I don't have Adobe application to open a PDF file. So let's open it Microsoft Edge and see if this file is converted to PDF successfully. And yes, we have converted the Excel file to a PDF file within a minute, right? So I hope you found this simple tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more informational and interesting tutorial. Keep watching, and thank you for your time.